Tired of dealing with mouse wheel scrolling problems? We have got an easy solution for you. In this video, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and fix common mouse wheel issues. Whether your scroll is too fast, too slow, or not working at all, our easy-to-follow tips will have you scrolling smoothly in no time. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a hassle-free scrolling. Step 1. Clean the mouse wheel to remove any dust or debris that may affect scrolling. Step 2. Check mouse settings in the control panel or settings to ensure scroll options are configured correctly. Step 3. Update or reinstall mouse drivers through the device manager. Step 4. Try a different USB port for the mouse connection. Step 5. Test the mouse on another computer to rule out hardware issues. Step 6. Adjust scrolling settings in applications where the problem occurs. Step 7. Check for and install Windows updates that may include fixes for mouse-related issues. Step 8. If using a wireless mouse, replace or recharge the batteries. Step 9. Disable any third-party mouse management software temporarily. Step 10. If the issue persists, consider replacing the mouse.